Hey everyone, so today I received my tripod, but before unboxing it, I would like to show my old tripod to you. So this is my old tripod. I purchased it in 2024 and मैं इसी को यूज़ करती थी अपनी वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, बट इसके जो दो लेग्स हैं वो टूट चुके हैं एंड ऑल्सो जो इसका मोबाइल होल्डर है वो भी पूरा घूमता रहता है, रोटेट करता रहता है एंड इसके बहुत सारे स्क्रूज ढीले हो चुके हैं. So I finally purchased a new tripod. The name of this tripod is R1L and the link of this tripod is in my community post, so you can check it out there. And the best thing about this tripod is that ये एक tripod है as well as it is a selfie stick, so it can be used in both the ways. And the height of this tripod can be increased for more than 5 feet. So this is the whole height of this tripod. And guys, one more thing about this tripod is that it comes with a mini remote which can be connected to our mobile through Bluetooth, and it can be used to click pictures without even touching the phone. So I tried it and it actually works very nicely. And I think that it is totally worth purchasing and like far better than my old tripod. Also, it is easy to carry anywhere, so like it also adds one plus point to it. And that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.